Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, definitely subscribe to become part of our home decor family. And in today's video, let's take a look at rooms with an amazing view. Guys, don't forget to head on over to Facebook to join our group there, And Then There Was Style. Also, you can definitely follow us on TikTok and Pinterest, both at And Then There Was Style. So this is just going to be a really relaxing video for you to take in some of these gorgeous views. I envy every one of these rooms. If you like these kind of videos, comment down below and let me know. And let me know also if you will have a room like this in your home if you decided to go this route. I am interested in knowing, so like I said, enough talking. I'm just going to let the music play and I will pop back in at the end, friends. Alrighty guys, so I also wanted to show you a few little bonus clips. Now we've seen the rooms with the view looking out, but I wanted to show you what some of these rooms look like from the outside, basically looking in the room. I thought it would be a different spin. These are some rooms or homes that I know have an amazing view. So as you enjoy the rest of these clips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And what else did I have to tell you? Oh, my laptop has been in the shop, so that's why I'm using my husband's laptop. So the setup is just a little bit different. So the videos are going to be a little bit different until I get my computer out. But I really appreciate you guys just sticking in there and watching with me. I definitely do. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.